Conditionals and wish.
If I knew Siddhartha's sister well, I would invite her for my party.
I wish you would invite her. She's a very good friend of mine.
I don't want any more guests. If I had known earlier, I would have dropped someone else from my guest list.
I wish I had remembered to remind you. Now I will get bored in your party. I don't want to attend it.
If I invite Siddhartha's sister, will you come?
Yes, I will. Thanks a lot. In the dialogues, Gaurav and Kajal have used conditionals to state certain real or imaginary conditions and their result along with I wish to express their wish. Here are examples of sentences with conditionals and I wish. If I knew Siddhartha's sister well, I would invite her for my party. I wish you would invite her. If I had known earlier, I would have dropped someone else from my guest list. I wish I had remembered to remind you. If I invite Siddhartha's sister, will you come? Definition. Conditionals are used to express real or imaginary conditions. The conditional clause has if and the main clause uses would. For expressing a wish, I wish is used. Let us look at a few sentences. If I knew her number, I would call her. If I had known Madhu 2 years back, I would have taken her health. I wish I knew your mother. I wish I had known that she was sick. In the first sentence, if I knew has been used to express a condition in the present and the result is expressed using would. In the next sentence, if I had known has been used in the conditional clause to express a condition of the past and result is expressed using would with have. In the third sentence, I wish has been used to express a wish in the present. In the last sentence, I wish I had known has been used to express a wish in the past. Here are few more examples of use of conditionals and wish. If I had known about the water problem, I would have done something to solve it. I wish they would not make so much noise. If I do and if I did.
If I find your book, I will come to your house to give it to you. Thank you so much. But don't you remember where you kept it? If I did, I wouldn't have troubled you. Don't worry, we will surely find it if we look for it properly in the whole house. I hope so. I have borrowed it from the school library. If I don't return it, the teacher will punish me. I'm worried. I can understand. If I lost my book, I would make life miserable for everyone at home. Let us search for it together.
In the dialogues, the girls have used conditionals to convey the result of certain conditions, real or imaginary, by using if I do and if I did. Here are examples of sentences with if I do and if I did. If I find your book, I will come to your house to give it to you. If I did, I wouldn't have troubled you. We will surely find it if we look for it properly in the whole house. If I don't return it, the teacher will punish me. If I lost my book, I would make life miserable for everyone at home. Definition. If I do is used for a real possibility. Real conditions tells us about results that are in the present and the future. The if clause is in simple present, whereas the main clause which expresses the result has either simple present or future tense or modals like can, should, may, and might. It is used for habit, fact, advice, prediction, and instructions. If I did is used when the conditional clause with if uses simple past. However, it indicates an unreal, imaginary, or unlikely situation in the present or future. The main clause conveying the result will then have would, could, and might. Let us look at a few sentences. If I returned home early, I would go to the market. If she works hard, she can pass the exam. If I had money, I would go on a world tour. If she slept early, she could wake up early. In the first sentence, if I knew, I wish I knew.
If I knew her address, I would pick her up.
I wish we knew her phone number.
Yes, we don't even know that.
I wish I knew something about puppet making.
I could hold the workshop for children then. Never mind, we can teach the children something else like origami.
Can you teach origami?
If I knew origami, I would begin the class. But I think Sudha is an expert in origami. She can hold the workshop.
That's great. I wish I knew everyone as well as you do. In the dialogues, the girls have used if I knew and I wish I knew to express certain present imaginary conditions and their imaginary result, and also their wish along with the sense of regret at the wish not being fulfilled. Here are examples of sentences with if I knew and I wish I knew. If I knew her address, I would pick her up. I wish we knew her phone number. I wish I knew something about puppet making. If I knew origami, I would begin the class. I wish I knew everyone as well as you do. Definition. For an imaginary situation, we use if I knew. It is the conditional clause, and in the main clause, we use would, could, or might. Though we use past tense with if the meaning is not past but present. I wish I knew is used to express regret. The wish for a particular thing has not been fulfilled, and that something is not as per our wish or as we want it. Let us look at a few sentences. If I knew her email ID, I would invite her for the event. If I knew English, I would understand this concept better. I wish I knew this place better. In the first sentence, if I knew though past speaks of a present imaginary situation, and the result in the main clause is expressed by using would. In the next sentence, also, we find a similar usage. In the third sentence, I wish I knew is used to express regret about something that is not what we would like to be. Here are few more examples of use of if I knew and I wish I knew. If I had known, I wish I had known.
I wish I had known you were admitted in the hospital. I would have visited you there.
I didn't want to trouble anyone, so I didn't tell you. I was in hospital for 3 days.
If I had known, I would have brought some homemade food for you.
Thank you so much. Actually, I thought you were out of town. If I had known you were in town, I would not have missed your cooking at any cost.
You can come over any time to my place to taste my cooking. In fact, I have set up my own baking business.
That's wonderful. I wish I had known that you bake products for sale. I would not have bought these biscuits from the bakery in the market. In the dialogues, the girls have used if I had known and I wish I had known to express a wish and a condition in the past. Here are examples of sentences with if I had known and I wish I had known. I wish I had known you were admitted in the hospital. If I had known, I would have brought some homemade food for you. If I had known you were in town, I would not have missed your cooking at any cost. I wish I had known that you bake products for sale. Definition: if I had known is used in speaking about conditions in the past. The if clause uses if I had known and the main clause uses would have, could have or might have to express the result. I wish I had known is used to express a wish about something in the past that the speaker did not get to know, though the speaker wanted it to happen and is feeling sorry about it. Let us look at a few sentences. If I had known he was going to my college, I could have asked him for a lift. If I had known that the job was so tough, I would have refused to join. I wish I had known that he was in India. In the first sentence, if I had known is a conditional clause expressing past condition and the main clause expressing the result uses could have with past participle. In the next conditional sentence, if I had known has been used to express past condition and the main clause expressing would, I wish, would.
I wish you would meet Garima today instead of going for shopping. If I knew Garima's address, I would definitely visit her. She would be happy to meet you. I will find out her address for you. That would be wonderful. Please do. When we were in college, we would meet and chat every day. She told me that she would never find another friend like you.
In the dialogues, the girls have used would and I wish would to speak about imaginary situations, conditional situations, as past of will, for past routine, and for expressing a wish. Here are examples of sentences with would and I wish would. I wish you would meet Garima today instead of going for shopping. If I knew Garima's address, I would definitely visit her. She would be happy to meet you. That would be wonderful. When we were in college, we would meet and chat every day. She told me that she would never find another friend like you. Definition: would is used in an imaginary situation or action and in conditional sentences. Would can also be used for things that happened in the past on a regular basis. Would is also used as past tense of will. I wish would is used when we wish for something to happen or when we want something to be done by some person. Here, the speaker is not satisfied with the present situation and wants to change it. Let us look at a few sentences. If she had worked hard, she would have passed. If Anu knew French, she would teach me. It would be wonderful to go on a cruise, but I don't have sufficient money. I wish she would stop teasing the street dog. In the first sentence, would has been used with have in the main clause of a conditional sentence about the past. In the second sentence, would has been used in the main clause of a conditional sentence regarding the present. In the third sentence, would has been used for an imaginary situation. In the last sentence, I wish would has been